Post-harvest losses remain a major setback in Kenya's quest to address food security. Agriculture experts say Kenya loses almost 40% of all food harvested in the country due to lack of proper storage facilities. To address this, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Authority is rolling out cold storage for smallholder farmers in Meru, Nyandarua and Kisii Counties. Here's that story.
Micro, small and medium entrepreneurs in the agricultural value chain face major challenges including post-harvest losses, lack of access to wider markets and limited access to affordable credit. Speaking during the operationalization of cold storage facilities packed with Kenya Development Corporation, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Authority CEO Henry Rithaa says manufacturers and financial institutions need to develop tailored products to support small businesses.
You have seen farmers selling their produce at throwaway prices because they have no facilities to store. These cold rooms will store those potatoes. You have seen the two team leaders from the private sector talk to that. But more importantly, it is not just storage, it is preserving the value of the commodities.
The initiative targets small farmers from Kisii, Meru and Nyandarua. Farmers in these counties will receive cold storage facilities to help boost their production and enhance the agricultural value chain.
Kenya Development Corporation finances investors. We support industrial development. We provide financing to investors to sustainably invest in various sectors. Our key sectors of focus are manufacturing, what we also call post-harvest losses.
Rithaa further emphasized that the county aggregation centers and industrial parks will play a crucial role in organizing farmers and linking them to local and international markets. Frederick Moki for Prime Edition.